In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Charts. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the chart window, switching views, adding indicators, drawing on your chart, and zooming in and out to focus on the details that matter. First, log into your account and open an instrument you want to analyze, such as a currency pair like EUR/USD or a commodity like gold. As soon as you select it, the price chart will appear in the main panel, directly beneath the instrument's name and key information. This is your workspace. You'll see live price movement, the time scale along the bottom, and price levels along the right side. To change the way price is displayed, click the chart type dropdown. You can choose candlestick, line, or bar, among others. Candlesticks are popular because each candle shows the open, high, low, and close for a period, giving you more detail at a glance. A line chart connects closing prices, offering a cleaner, less cluttered look. Bar charts also show open, high, low, and close, but in a different visual style. Pick the one that helps you read price action most comfortably. Next, adjust your time frame using the time interval dropdown. You'll find options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and daily. Shorter time frames reveal more immediate fluctuations and are helpful for fine-tuning entries or spotting quick moves. Longer time frames compress price action and make broader trends easier to see. Switching between a short and a long interval is a great way to understand both the micro and macro picture. To deepen your analysis, click the Indicators button. From here, you can add tools like MACD, RSI, or moving averages. The MACD can highlight momentum shifts, the RSI can help identify potential overbought or oversold conditions, and moving averages can smooth out price to reveal trend direction. Add them one at a time so your chart remains readable, and focus on what actually helps your decision-making. Use the drawing tools on the chart toolbar to mark up your analysis. Trend lines can connect highs or lows to visualize direction. Horizontal lines can map out support and resistance. Fibonacci tools can help you gauge potential retracement levels. Keep your drawings tidy and purposeful so the chart stays clear. Finally, zoom and scroll to control your view. Drag the chart left or right to move through time, and use your mouse wheel to zoom in for detail or out for context. When you're done, you'll have a chart tailored to exactly what you need to see.